Hello, in this video I want to show you how to tighten the wrap on Oculus Quest 2. And to do this, first let's start with tightening, and that way you'll need to hold these two plastic lines, I guess, and pull them outwards like that, and that way you'll tighten your Oculus Quest. Another way is to tighten this up wrap by pulling it like that, and now you can close it. And to untie this, you'll need to drag one of them up like that, then simply try to drag another one and then pull them outwards, and do it until you're satisfied with the fit. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.